Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ahrefs Backlink Gap Workflow detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Ahrefs website. Log into your Ahrefs account using your credentials. Once logged in, find the Site Explorer option on the main dashboard. Enter your website URL in the search bar and press enter. After the data loads, locate the Backlink Profiles section on the left sidebar. Click on the Backlink Gap tool within this section. In the Backlink Gap tool, you'll see fields for entering competitor URLs. Add the URLs of your main competitors in the corresponding fields provided. Now, select the metrics you want to compare, such as total backlinks and referring domains. Click on the Show Backlinks button to generate the comparison. Once the results load, take a moment to analyze the differences in backlink profiles. Look for gaps where your competitors have backlinks that you do not. You can filter results by various criteria, such as link type or domain authority. Choose valuable backlinks that might be relevant for your link building strategy. Take note of the domains linking to your competitors but not to you. You may want to export this data for further analysis by clicking the Export option. Finally, develop a targeted outreach strategy based on the backlinks you've identified. This step-by-step process will help you effectively utilize Ahrefs for backlink analysis and outreach efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.